Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So this is a Snow Queen Hibiscus. Its leaves are variegated. See how there's a tint of red around the edges of the leaves, and they have the white and the green, a little bit curly as well, and the flowers are a pretty pink flower. So I noticed that I'm starting to get some reversion at the bottom here. I'm seeing the leaves, some of these leaves at the bottom are going back to the original, which is just the plain green. I think this was probably from the summer stress, or maybe not getting enough sunlight. So with variegated shrubs, you need to watch out for reversion, where you start seeing, see, these are much larger. These leaves are much larger than the variegated ones. So I need to control this. The purely green leaves have way more chlorophyll, so they grow pretty aggressively compared to the variegated leaves. So I need to go ahead and control that. And to do that, I need to prune all of these that have all of these shoots at the bottom here. So I have this one here. I have another one here, which you can see like this. This one has, this whole thing has to go. Otherwise, if I don't control it, the green leaves will take over the plant, because they're much more efficient in photosynthesis compared to the variegated ones. So I have that one. You can see it more clearly here, maybe. And this one. So all this has to go. And there's a last one over here. You're seeing the variegated at the top and the green leaves at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and prune all this out. I'll probably take some at the top too. But I'll be focusing on removing all the shoots that from where the green leaves are coming from the back all the way back to the stem. Okay, let's go ahead and get that done. Okay, I'm done. I've cut them back down and pruned off the top as well. I cut them to the base, see, all the way to the bottom. So that's how that one looks. The second one is right here. It's also been reduced probably by half. Number 3 is here. So now we only have the variegated leaves, and then the last one is there, and you can see the difference in the leaves. The green leaves versus the variegated ones. Another pile is right here. See this compared to this pile. So for the prunings, I'll go ahead and chop them up and use them as mulch. So I'll just throw them in the beds. That will be my mulch for the fall. Okay, I'll keep an eye on these as we go into the winter season. That stress might also induce more reversion, so I just need to keep an eye out to see if there's any new green leaves that pop up, and if they do, I'll just cut them back down to the shoots. All right, I'll stop this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.